Hello, my name is Laxmi. I'm a PhD student in the Inclusive Interaction Lab at UC Merced. In this talk, I will present the findings of our research investigating the effects of speaking rate on both speech and silent speech recognition. Speaking rate is a fundamental user characteristic that can influence speech recognition performance due to the variation in acoustic properties of human speech production. To investigate whether native and non-native speakers speak at different rates when interacting with speech and silent speech-based methods, we first conducted a wizard of Oz study with 4 native and 8 non-native English speakers. The study revealed that both native and non-native speakers spoke at much slower rates compared to usual speaking rates when using speech and silent speech recognizers. With speech, native speakers were about 50% slower, while non-native speakers were about 52% slower. With silent speech, native speakers were about 65% slower, and non-native speakers were about 67% slower. We then conducted a study to determine whether speaking rate affects recognition rates of speech and silent speech recognizers. We investigated 7 speaking rates: 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1, 1.25, 1.5, and 1.75 times the usual speaking rates of the participants. Participants of the previous study were invited to take part in this study. Results reveal that speech and silent speech perform reasonably well with regular speaking rates. But recognition rate of speech drops substantially with speaking rates lower than 0.5 times and higher than 1.25 times for both native and non-native speakers. Likewise, recognition rate of silent speech drops substantially with speaking rates lower than 0.75 times and higher than 1.5 times for both user groups. A post-hoc analysis revealed that native speakers committed 59% lower insertion errors, 11% higher deletion errors, and 38% higher substitution errors than non-native speakers with speech. Whereas with silent speech, they committed 81% lower insertion errors, 42% higher deletion errors, and 16% higher substitution errors than non-native speakers. In summary, we found out native speakers speak faster than non-natives, but both slow down comparably when interacting with speech and silent speech methods, mostly to increase their accuracy rates, and the methods and the 2 user groups are susceptible to different types of errors. Thank you.